Hi, my name is Andy Katz. I am one of the artisans of imagery for Sony's wonderful cameras. I had my formal education at Art Center College of Design, but I knew I was going to be a photographer by the time I was about 10 years old. I used to photograph for the music industry. I've done album covers for Dan Fogelberg, Doobie Brothers, but then I got into photographing beautiful scenery, landscapes, and the new technology that's coming out to capture it is unbelievable. We no longer have to carry these big cameras with these big lenses. It's the most exciting time ever to be a photographer. Well, now we're going to answer some questions from the community, and Kobe Henry wanted to know how I became such a good photographer, and I thank you for saying that I am a good photographer. And I think there's a couple of things. One is, in photography, you've got to have passion. If you take photography as, well, I'll photograph now when I wake up or something like that, or I'll photograph once a week, you'll never be a great photographer. You could still have a really good time taking pictures. There's a difference. But if you really want to be a great photographer, you have to have passion. You've got to really exert yourself. You've got to work harder than the next photographer. And those things are what's going to separate you from the next photographer. Rodney Melvin asked me why I'm shooting with the Sony as opposed to the competitors, and Sony sent me the Alpha 900 actually before it came out, and I had what was considered the best digital camera made by everyone, and I did some very extensive tests, put both of the cameras on the tripod, mirror lock up, and did a lot of contrast tests and many different tests, and basically the Sony blew the competitor out of the water, and from that point on I've been a Sony photographer. We'll be posting more videos like this on Sony Electronics YouTube and Flickr page. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos just like this one, and thanks so much for watching. Boom!